Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos. Welcome, we are going to kick off our task by jumping right into the Squarespace menu to make sure our site is optimized at the site level. Now, in SEO, there are many technical components that help or hurt a site's ranking by search engines. The nice thing about an all-in-one platform like Squarespace is that they manage many of these things for you. You don't need to worry about other important security measures like site security, SSL, or hosting because Squarespace will make sure that these elements are up to date and running well for you. And Squarespace is intuitively designed so that anyone can create an optimized site regardless of their prior experience with SEO. So let's jump right in. We are going to start today by using the left-hand navigation menu. To get there, let's click on Website and open up our work from our last lesson. The left-hand navigation menu is where we'll do most of our work. This is where your controls live in Squarespace and where you'll go to customize your site. We are going to start in the marketing section where we'll click on SEO under the Discovery heading. Let's scroll down to the Search Appearance section where we are going to write our title and meta description for our website. This information will display whenever your homepage or site appears in a search results page. And it's an important area to optimize so that search crawlers and bots can correctly classify your site. You can tap through the Home page and Items menu, and you'll notice that Squarespace recognizes preset variables in these fields. For example, on the Page tab, %s equals site and %p equals page. You can choose to override or add to these preset variables if you want something custom. Otherwise, you can keep the structure as is, as we'll do here. Let's tap back to the Home menu and then scroll down to the SEO site description. Under this description, we are going to describe our website in more detail. A good rule of thumb for this meta description is to include your mission statement, elevator pitch, or value proposition, such as I help X achieve Y through Z. For example, for Hester's Pickles, I've decided to add our site description as organic, small batch pickles, brined to perfection, and made locally. Scroll back to the top and hit Save. Before we move on, I want to make note of the SEO checklist that Squarespace provides here and that I recommend as a follow-up to this course. We try to use the keyword phrases that actual Google users search for the most often and that accurately reflect your content. This is another tool for improving your SEO. You should still be within the SEO menu. Click on Google Search Keywords. This gives you the option to connect your site to Google Search Console. Google Search Console will show you what keywords you are ranking for, which is a huge help to you. So let's connect our sites now. You'll need your Google account connected to your website. Click Connect in the middle of the page, and a new window should open. Select the Google account you want to connect and then allow to give Squarespace access to your console. Once it connects and your site goes live, you'll see the keywords you are ranking for. Once you click Home, you'll be back on the main navigation. Let's take a moment now to connect our accounts. Once your Google Search Console account is connected to Squarespace, you should see this message. Once you have that, scroll back over here to the Home menu, and we are back to the main navigation. And that's it. We've added to our site's metadata and connected to Google Search Console, which means your Squarespace site is now optimized at the site level.